Guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keep stopping on the application of Messenger. You will go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this window here of Messenger, and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode, and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.